I see he's raised the issue of flip-flopping. I have with me a leaflet that has just been put out in the Dunfermline West Fife by-election. From one David Cameron, a letter. It says this: I'm a Liberal Conservative. Issues that once divided Conservatives from Liberal Democrats are now issues where we both agree, like Iraq. Is this the same man that 2 weeks ago told the Daily Telegraph, I am and always have been a Conservative to the core of my being? Then 1 week ago, he's the heir to New Labour, and today he's a Liberal Conservative. No wonder he's against identity cards.